Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to discuss Civil Service Examination Review on Integers. So, multiplication and division of integers. Dito po, topic natin to sa Numerical Ability sa Civil Service Exam Review. So, ito pong pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. So, integers, ano bang ibig sabihin ng integers? So, as a definition, integers comprise the counting numbers and their corresponding negative values as well as the number 0. So, pag sinabi mong integers, these are whole numbers. So, kasama na rin si 0. Whole numbers, be it positive number or negative numbers, they are considered as integers. So, yung pong pag-uusapan natin dito sa multiplication and division. So, how to multiply integers and how to divide integers. So, meron tayong sets of rules na i-discuss dito. So, usually, if you have viewed my previous videos, usually, ang start talaga ng mga videos ko is dinidiscuss ko ang mga rules, lalo na pag ito ay sa numerical abilities or mathematics natin. So kasi pag math kasi, usually dapat alam mo yung mga rules para tama yung mga process, tama yung ginagawa mo mga operations. Okay? So yun din po yung i-discuss natin ngayon. So ano yung first rule natin sa multiplying and dividing integers? First is the product or quotient of integers with like signs is positive. So when you say product, ito yung pag nag-multiply ka, yung sagot nun, kung ano ang answer, we call it the product. Quotient naman, pag ikaw ay nag-divide ng sets of numbers, ang sagot nun, we call it the quotient. Okay? So sabi dito, pag ang product, ikaw ay nag-multiply ng like signs, so ito like signs, o ikaw ay nag-divide ng like signs, so minute siya magkapareho, it's either pareho positive ang dalawang number or parehong negative ang dalawang number. So like signs sila, pareho ang signs, ang answer natin will always be positive. Okay? So yun yung ibig sabihin nito. So let's say for example, i-try natin like, for example, meron tayong number 9 and 9 is positive. If we multiply 9 by 8, that will give us 72. And our answer is positive 72 because 9 is positive, 8 is also positive. Okay, so like signs will give you a positive answer. So what if we have negative 9 times negative 8? Okay, so usually we put this inside the parenthesis. We will still get 72, but okay, 72, and we will still get a positive 72. So usually pag positive naman, hindi na natin nilalagay yung sign in front. Ito pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So 72 pa rin yung answer natin. Still, it is a positive 72 yung product natin. Bakit? Because 9 has a negative sign, 8 has also a negative sign. So like sign sila. So therefore, ang answer natin will be a positive. Okay? So yan yung pong ibig sabihin ng first rule natin. The product or quotient of an integers with like signs will always be positive. Now let's go with the second rule. Ang second rule naman natin, okay, the product or quotient of integers with unlike signs. So kung unlike sign daw, okay, kung nag-multiply ka ng numbers that have unlike signs or nag-divide ka ng numbers or integers that have unlike signs, your answer will always be negative. Okay, so let's use the same number, 9 and 8. So say for example, you are going to multiply positive 9 with negative 8. So see, we have now different signs, unlike signs, because 9 is positive while 8 is negative. So still we're going to get 72, but this time, our sign will be negative. Okay? Because magkaiba silang sign. They do not have, they are not like signs. Unlike signs sila. So positive times negative will give you a negative answer. Same thing kung si 9 naman ang negative, si 8 ay positive, still we're going to get negative 72. Okay? Because they have different signs. So that is the second rule for multiplying or dividing integers. The product or quotient of integers with unlike signs is always negative. So let's try and do some exercises with these rules. So let's have number 1, meron tayong negative 2 raised to the power of 3. I-expand lang natin to, okay? So pag exponential form kasi, meaning to say, ang process natin dyan ay multiplication. So negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, so what will be our answer? So if we are going to multiply this, negative 2 times negative 2, pareho yung sign nila. So meaning to say, we are multiplying like signs. So therefore, ang answer natin dito, when we multiply negative by negative, okay, that will be a positive. So 2 times 2 is 4. So positive 4. So positive 4, okay, times natin, okay, multiply natin times negative 2. So if you have noticed, this is now positive, 4 is positive, while 2 is negative. So they have unlike signs. So hindi magkapareho yung sign nila. So sabi natin, pag unlike signs, ano maging answer natin? It will be a negative. Okay? So therefore, ang answer natin ay negative. So 4 times 2 is 8. So therefore, ang sagot natin ay negative 8. Okay? So next is we have 3, negative 3 raised to the power of 2. So still, we are going to expand it. Negative 3 times negative 3. Okay, so dalawa lang kasi raised to the power of 2 lang. So here, pareho yung sign, negative times negative. Sabi natin, your answer will be positive. So 3 times 3 is 9. So therefore, ang answer natin is positive 9. Okay, very easy, di ba? All you have to do is just remember the rules. Okay, para hindi kayo magkamali kung when to put a negative on your answer or is it a positive. So just remember the two rules that we have. Number 3, okay, so let's proceed. We have negative 36 divided by negative 2. So by just looking here, okay, so both are negative. So therefore, alam na natin yung answer natin will be positive. So if we are going to divide, okay, so papakita ko sa inyo. Though actually alam ko mabilis nyo na lang yan, alam nyo na kung anong answer, but I'll just show you how to divide it. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 8 times 2, that is 16, and we do not have a remainder. So therefore, negative 36 divided by negative 2 is equals to 18. Positive 18 because they have like signs. Next is we have 42 divided by negative 6. So if you have noticed, meron tayong positive 42, while this one we have negative 6. So therefore, we already know na ang answer natin ay magiging negative. So just divide 42 divided by 6, that is 7. Okay? So therefore, ang answer natin is negative 7. Okay? So, mabilis lang mag-solve ng mga problems on multiplication and division of integers. So, just remember the rules. So, next is we have, anong example natin? So, dito meron tayong negative 72 divided by negative 2. So, still we have the same. Okay, the same sign. So, ang answer natin dito magiging positive. So, 72 divided by 2, that is equals to 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. There's no remainder. Therefore, ang answer natin ay 36, and that is a positive because we have like signs. Now here you can see on number 6 they have different sign, negative si 4, positive naman si 18. So we'll proceed with multiplication. So sa multiplication, pwede nyo ilagay sa taas ang 4 or pwede nyo ilagay sa baba. So either way, you're going to get the same answer. So but I'd like you to put it down ang 4. Okay, so if we are going to multiply, okay, 18 by 4, it's going to be 32. Okay, so carry 3, 4 times that's 72. So therefore, sagot natin dito ay negative 72. Okay, very easy. Tama? So we still have two sets of example to solve. How about 5 raised to the power of 3? So here, 5 times 5. Okay, so expand natin. Positive times positive times positive. So dito, if you're going to multiply 5 times 5 with the same sign, like sign, that will give us positive 25. So positive 25 times 5, that is actually equals to 125. Okay? So positive yung sign natin kasi yung sagot natin dito when we multiply positive 5 by 5 is positive 25. So times positive 5 then, okay, like signs will give you a positive answer. Okay? So, next is we have number 8. Ano yung number 8 natin? So, sa 8 natin, if you have noticed, meron tayong negatives 42, positive si 2. So, meaning to say, meron tayong unlike signs. So, ang sagot natin ay magiging negative. Okay? So, you divide it. Alam niyo naman na when you divide 42 by 2, that is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down 2. 1, that's 21. Okay? So our answer is negative 21. Okay? So very easy to solve integers, multiplying and dividing integers. Okay? So just remember the first rule. Pag ang like signs, okay, when you multiply like signs, ang sagot natin, ang answer or ang product will always be positive. So usually kasi nagkakamali yung mga estudyante pag nakita nila ay negative times negative, ang sagot ay magiging negative. No, because negative times negative, like signs sila, yung sagot mo magiging positive. Okay? So I hope meron tayong natututo dito ngayon sa video na to. Keep on practicing po and always remember the rules. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel po. Thank you so much.